What I'm standing next to is the new Tata Nexon Camo variant. Now, what is new? Basically, the engine remains the same. You still get three engine options: the turbo petrol engine, the turbo diesel engine, and the turbo petrol CNG engine. And the engine outputs also remain the same, which I will talk about later. To start with, what is new? The color is new. This year is the Coorg Cloud, and that right over there is the Munnar mist. You let me know in the comments below what do you think about that. When you say camo, I was expecting some kind of decals or something, but that has not happened. This also is the same color that is already being sold with the Tata Sierra, which is why this has happened, because there's more people who are buying these colors, which is why now it's available with the Nexon. What you get here is a camo badging. That's the only thing, and the color which is different about the camo variants. There are going to be 4 variants. It starts with Creative at a starting price of 9.99 lakh ex-showroom, and most of the changes or the features that you get are on the inside. On the outside, nothing has been touched with, nothing has been fiddled. You still get a shark fin antenna, a 4 roof rail, these pull-out door handles. You also get this small badging on the C-pillar which says celebrating Nexon 1.1 million cars in the past 9 years ever since the car has been launched. Over here, you get a small Easter egg of this tiger at the defogger lines, and there's an integrated roof rail. And this here is the boot space, which is quite large, as you can see. And that you might be confused that it's a hole in the floor, but that's not. That's basically the mirror showing you the mechanism which holds the spare tire under the belly of the car, so that you can have this much boot space. I think it's a neat trick. But most of the changes that has happened is on the inside. Nothing has mechanically changed for the Camo variant. Now this here is the 1.2 liter turbo petrol CNG engine, which makes around 100 PS of power and 170 Nm of peak torque. The same engine without the CNG kit makes the same amount of torque, 170 Nm, but the power goes up by 120 PS. And there is a 1.5 liter turbo diesel engine, which makes around 114.5 PS of power and 260 Nm of peak torque. So in terms of engine specs, everything remains the same, nothing new. Now, as you step inside the car, you can see that you have Camo written on the headrest, but it's only for the first row, not for the second row. But otherwise, you get a grey interior with piano black finish on the steering wheel, and over here for the AC controls. But the changes that has happened for the standard, like the base variant, the base Creative variant, what you get is a 10.25-inch digital dash. You also get a 12.3-inch infotainment unit with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, but you also get a 360-degree camera right over here, which records. It has internal memory of 1 GB and external it has 256 GB. Now what it also does is that in case there's an emergency, if you have braked too hard, the car senses that this needs to be recorded. So before that event, 2 minutes, and after that event, 3 minutes. You have a total recording of 5 minutes, which is stored right in the infotainment, and this is the quality of the cameras. I think it's pretty decent. Could have been better, but this is how it looks. Apart from that, for the top variant, so for the standard, you get a nice sizable 12.3-inch screen, you get digital dash, you get 360-degree camera, you also get a dash cam. As you climb up the variants, this is the Creative, you can go up to Fearless PS, Fearless Plus PS, which is basically panoramic sunroof, which is voice assisted. You also get a phone charger, and you get these leatherette seats. With that, you also get a 9-speaker JBL system, and both these screens are done by Harman. There's embedded navigation as well. Apart from that, there are no changes for the Nexon, but you let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this? Do you think you will pick this over the standard Nexon? It starts at 9.99 lakh. So for the top variant, you get ADAS level 1, which could be priced close to 12 or 13 lakh rupees. But for the base variant, these are the things you get. You let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the new Tata Nexon Camo variant? But for everything on auto, stick to Overdrive. I'll see you on the next one.